The funeral service honored the deceased 95-year-old pensioner Elizabeth Ngarusis, her 17-year-old granddaughter Fanny Ngarusis, and her great-grandchildren Ibrahim Ngarusis, Raunish Shabur, who were both 6 years of age, as well as 3-year-old toddlers Rachel Bur and Emily Ngarusis. Earlier this month, after the 6 were murdered, the police arrested a relative who was a minor and has confessed to beating, butchering, and burning the bodies. One of the mothers of the deceased children told NBC Open File that the lives of her children were stolen by the grip of drug abuse, which also shattered her family. At the funeral service, several speakers raised concern about drug and alcohol abuse among young people.
We keep on mourning, we keep on giving our deepest sympathies. But there are root causes of the issues when death cometh in the way that it did in this instance, that we should be able to talk about openly and commit ourselves to addressing them. And it's not just a government problem, it's not a councillor's problem, but it's a social problem. It's a problem that starts with the individual, moves to the next, in the neighborhood, drug and alcohol abuse, the questions around young people and the conduct of young people, the challenges of young men. These are issues that we can address.
Pause and still blame.
I want to pause and reflect and ask what is going on with our community. Where did we go wrong? It is time to stand together and unite to overcome these evils in our homes.
There are a lot of social issues which is really affecting our community. It is up to us. There's no time for us to point fingers, but all of us need to join hands to address some of these social issues.
The bishop who presided over the funeral stressed that many young people, including children, are drinking, smoking, and using drugs openly. Such habits, he said, are weapons robbing the youth of a bright future. The tragedy, he noted, teaches the country to find solutions.
We call on the government to increase access to rehabilitation, increase access to mental health services. Our children are sick, mentally sick. We call upon our churches to be bold in addressing addiction and teaching righteousness. We call upon our parents and guardians to monitor and guide their children with love and authority.
It is reportedly difficult for young people who abuse substances to be rehabilitated due to a lack of facilities in the Irongo region. Drugs, including crack cocaine and alcohol, are said to be readily available in various towns of the region. Renate Ringura, NBC News, Usakos.